baphethe kunjani cameraman thina mfocus wela Mswati lo mnanzi football fusion. Sibuyile with another enangihambi ngiyi1. Bakachuchu.
Whatever baphethe kunjani nto zabantu on the screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion.
So Bafethu, in this video we're looking at Mamelodi Sundowns playing this Wednesday up against Marumo Gallantzi.
I think it's a home game for Sundowns.
Oh, Mamelodi Sundowns. I think they are playing their game because they had a game in hand, so they're gonna play that game to equal everyone with three games. So see, Linda. we saw Mamelodi Sundowns coming to play Kaizer Chiefs and they play a draw 1-1. And then I don't know if you want to touch on that game or say Giona straight. Which is which?
I think it's just to touch on the overall Sundowns at this stage.
The current Mamelodi Sundowns.
Because we can already tell with the 3 games they've played. 2 in the league and 1 in the MTN 8, right? It's their 4th game. I think defensively they are not so good.
Sure.
One, it's consistency in players. I don't believe Uti Balimel, I'm not sure. We'll have to check that one out, especially with my center backs. And also, I think players now, it starts to show Uti they played a lot of games. Because remember, Uti, these players were the same players who were playing the Champions League. They are, by the way, they are African champions. That's one. Another thing, it's a process of transitioning now. You can already tell that the coach is trying to introduce new players. So all that happening at the same time while expecting the results, there will be a shake-up here and there. That's what I believe is happening right now. But going into this game, I see them winning this game because I think it's an easier game for Mamelodi Sundowns. But there are players whom you can already tell they are not standard of Sundowns. I won't mention any names, but there are players that you can already tell these ones, they got the contracts, but they are sad. They need to find a solution around Modiba. That's my own perspective. And also they need to find a solution in the midfield. I think giving opportunities to players like Bokekana more often than not, it will likely to give them more stability in that position. Because if Umkwena is not going to be there, you already can tell there is a disaster. So I think that's that about Mamelodi Sundowns. Because you would falter Leon up front, but they don't get supply. They just rotate the ball. You can now already tell they have got more attacking players. Bondlovu, Van Veek is a good player, but they are new players. They haven't really kicked it. We are now gelled well. We are now Mamelodi Sundowns players, and this is the style of play. So I think even Santos's absence is a really massive loss for them, because he is a good passer of the ball. His long balls are helping Mamelodi Sundowns a lot. So such things. And also a big miss, Adams, that we have to also mention as well, because you can already tell Ukochi saw that that position is a little bit shaky. Ayende, that's why Ayende was now used less towards the end of the season, and it was solid. But now he lost the case. Really making,
and at the same time what the man of forehead.
Exactly.
So now they're a bit exposed. Man, was mentioning that they need to find a replacement.
I think it's about time.
Why?
It's about time. Modiba is a good ball player, but he's trying too much. I think I saw this even with Bafana Bafana. If Uzo Ifara Bafana, I think you will understand it better. Where he tries too much and making making wrong decisions. That's what I would say. Because if uzokhumbula kuleya game leya baze bamdonsa, uzama ukcross ibhola and kunomuntu nje just nje there ucross a low cross,
Yeah.
you know, and you're doing that as a number 3 more often, you can already tell ukuthi khona inkinga ekhona la. I think mhlambe ngaba fatigue, but they need to find a long-term solution now in that position, honestly.
Yeah. Now, before the Republic, I saw Mamelodi Sundowns coming from this weekend's game, right?
Yeah.
I saw Umay Lola, it's always been with them, but Ubuyile, and then I saw Uskushi being introduced, a very interesting player. I don't know, wanna say something about those two players being introduced in this Sundowns?
I think they are good players. They've already made names wherever they come from.
Yeah.
Okay, Malula made name in the Sundowns setup, which means that the Ngati, they are quality players, you know, but they need to work within the system here in Mamelodi Sundowns, and we will have to give them time to be able to adapt to the system in Mamelodi. I think Mailula, it would be better for him, but Undlovu knows that uyithemba le team. Now all of a sudden sekumele ukuthi akwazi ukusacrifice lokho for the benefit of the team, abe more of a team player where he has to release ibhola kakhulu than ukuthi aligcine kakhulu libe ngakuyena, where he wins fouls and everything, you know. And leyo nto leyo sometimes ingamenza feel less important. It depends ukuthi mentality yakhe ingakanani. Those are the things that maybe would affect. I like the fact that your coach introduced them kancane, because mawuzomqalisa game, that's where you will see such things. Ukuthi is not really up to the par, is not that sharp. Usaqala ukufunda kwe-system, so mawuzolokhu introduce kancane until ezokwazi uqala igame already useyazi ukuthi kudlalwa kanjani. Yeah, it helps a lot.
So with Marumo Kalanza, maybe not much to be said, but I think they're not having a very good start. So usually these small teams, so-called small teams, if they play like the big three, they tend to show up, they tend to frustrate these teams. But in Boogie Mamelodi Sundowns now, for me, I don't think they've started the season like how I would have expected them to start, but obviously they're having all these issues. So going to this game, do you see Marumo Kalanzi ever punish? Because the worst case scenario, Sundowns are going to say that in each and every game.
I think the biggest result yabo ongaba nje best result is draw. Yeah. I think so. I think they are unmatched.
Yeah.
Coach wabo is new, is coming from Polokwane City. Put him half.
A very good coach.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a very good coach, but he needs to adapt, obviously.
Yeah.
In fact, he is still working to introduce his style of play kulabadlali laba bakhona. We know ukuthi be survive kanjani Polokwane City, even making it to the top 8. Yeah. So I think it still needs time, and that time it cannot be against Mamelodi.
I know you don't like prediction, so you are saying Mamelodi Sundowns is winning this one.
Yeah, I think this one is straightforward. Mamelodi Sundowns. It can even be a dominant game for Mamelodi Sundowns.
A very interesting game to watch this Wednesday, Buffett. I don't know, man. I'm a cozy for life. So, as Buffett, if you think it's cool, as predict, comment it down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification. See you on another one.